Welcome! Today, we'll walk you through an exciting feature on Facebook that allows you to receive notifications via SMS for your friends' activities, all from your PC. This update ensures you stay connected without constantly checking your account. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the notifications icon. This icon looks like a bell and displays all your recent updates. Next, locate the three dots in the upper right corner of the notifications panel. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Facebook notifies you about various activities. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Updates from Friends. Click on it to expand its settings. Here, you'll find a toggle switch for enabling SMS notifications. Simply turn it on, and Facebook will start sending text messages directly to your phone whenever there's activity from your friends. And that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for friends' updates on Facebook using your PC. Now you can stay informed about their posts, likes, comments, and more, all without needing to refresh Facebook manually. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need this feature. Stay connected and enjoy seamless updates from Facebook.